Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the MSISP Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. For professional-grade MSISP library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the MSISP library, the MSI Subject Interface Package, SIP. It manages the unmanaged validation of digital signatures for Windows installer.msi files. It facilitates the orchestration of security manifests, ensuring that the installation data link has not been compromised or tampered with. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Msisip is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the MSISP library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Safety first, never attempt to replace MSISP Library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes MSISP library-related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved MSISP library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.